Good morning. We're going to make an Easter decoration for the table or centerpiece or just for a gift. You want to have 5 glass waters set that you can buy at the Dollar Tree. You want to have a 4 set of bowls, plastic bowls. They're in the wedding section. And you want to have an 8 plate that looks like this, that comes in the wedding section. And we're gonna put it together and I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like. Got some prep here to go. I should have got that going first. Hope everybody's having a grand day today. It's very cloudy. It looks like rain here in Maine. What's new? We're gonna put candy inside here as well. So let's get started. Everything's been wiped out. My hands are clean. And we're gonna start with the water glass. And we're gonna need some bling, and you need a glue gun. We're gonna take some bling. I've chosen gold to go around the water glass, just like this. You're gonna go around it just like that. I don't know what everybody's doing for Easter. At this point in time, we have no plans. I'm not up to doing a big Easter dinner this year, and I think my kids are scattered every which way, so I'm not sure. We just may have a quiet Easter at home this year, and that will be fine. And look at that. That came out perfect. 1 strand of gold went around this. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're going to take this and we're gonna fill it. And I thought it would be really cute if I filled it with these little eggs. I got these eggs, mini eggs, at the Dollar General, and they were only for $1. See if I can get this undone. I like to save this little bag if I can, but we'll see here. I don't have any nails. I said I was gonna get my nails back up and going, but I haven't yet. Okay, there we go. I get to save the bag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it just like this. See, we're gonna fill that. Squish them down if you have to. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to put the plate just like this on top. We're going to take a gob of glue right here, and we're gonna glue that. I'm gonna make sure, if it's not centered, it's not centered. We just do our best. Whoops, got some jelly beans on the gun here. And we're just gonna glob some just like this, just around. Just like this. There we go. Then we're gonna take this and we're just gonna eyeball it. Oops. Looks pretty good to me. We're just gonna hold it down like this for a moment. And then we're gonna go around and put a couple of little beads around here. So it's all secured down. Just like that. I'll put a little bit right here. Then we're going to take this cute little rabbit. I think I can work a little bit closer here. Then we're gonna take this cute little rabbit. How are we gonna set this here? We can set it like that. Well, let's set it out like that. And I also got this at the Dollar General. Good old Dollar General. Gotta love those dollar stores. I do. Fits my budget. Okay, then we're gonna go like this. Yeah, I think we'll fit that right there. And then we're gonna take some moss, tree moss that you get at the Dollar Tree. And it feels kind of mushy and wet. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put some glue around, like this. Just like this. We wanna stick that moss right on. And we're gonna take the moss like this, and we're just gonna stick it on. Just like that. And this makes the cutest little gift if you're going a hostess gift or just table arrangement. Anything you're gonna do, it just makes the cutest. I'll probably be taking one of these into my aunt if I get down there to her home, and she will absolutely love it. I'm gonna stick a little bit in by the rabbit here, just like this. See how cute this is coming together? See how cute that's coming? So now what we're gonna do, gotta watch my time here too. We're gonna put a carrot. We're gonna put a carrot on here. I think what we'll do is we'll put the carrot right here. Put some blue right there. Just like that. Oh, how cute is that? Then we're gonna take some of these bigger ones. And these pull out very easily. Also, I got these eggs at Dollar General, but you can buy these at, I've seen these at the Dollar Tree as well. So you're just gonna take these like this. I think I'll put them like this. You don't have to have any rhyme to reason, however you want. Just decorate it the way you want it. Not how somebody else wants it, but the way you want it. It's all about what you like and what you want to do. Oops. Just like that. Get another one here. Put some more on it right here. Put that like that. Now, how cute is that? Okay, now what we're gonna do, clean this up a little bit. Watching time here. So we're gonna take the bowl and we're gonna set it right here, just like that. So we wanna put some, before we do that, we're gonna put some bling around here. And I'm gonna start the bling and then I'm gonna stop it because my time is starting to run out. We'll see. We'll see how far I can get. Putting the bling, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna stop it because I'm rounding it with bling and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I put decorative paper, yellow and purple, in the bowls right here. And see the bling that goes all the way around? So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some glue, just like this, so we can make that nice and stable. Go just like that. Looks good. And here's the Easter candy that I have, and we're going to fill it with some Easter candy. Oops. A little bit more filling in here. How cute is this? I love this crinkly paper. So I bought some different types of candies to put in here. And I thought, wouldn't this make a wonderful gift going to someone's house? Just as a hostess gift. Then we'll put some chocolates. Some chocolate eggs. Where are those jelly beans? Shh, don't tell Ray we're using the jelly beans. How pretty is this? Let's see, what else do we got? We got all kinds of eggs. And we'll just put another one like that. So here you have it, folks. How cute is that? Centerpiece for Easter, or give it as a gift. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. I'm working towards 4,000 subscribers, so I'd like to really reach that goal. And when I do, I'll be having a giveaway. So the more you guys share, the quicker the giveaway will come. So I'll be back again. We have a few more crafts to come before Easter. Have a great day. Bye now. We'll see you tomorrow.